Okay, for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to navigate Canvas. Alright, first, you're going to want to log into or open your browser of your choice. I like Google Chrome, it works the best for me. And there are two ways to get to Canvas, and I think you all are most familiar with going to my.canvasstate.edu. So mine just popped up because I have the 24-hour login. I suggest that you only do this when you are working on your own personal computer. Even then, be careful, because if other people have access to your computer, they have access to your MyState, which can get a little dicey. You can go to Classroom, and all of your classes will show up here. So I am enrolled as the teacher. Choose class, any class. So I'm going to go to Student View so y'all can see it the way you see it. So when you're in Student View, the first thing that'll pop up is the course summary. And scroll, you'll see what you have due when. So as you can see here, for this particular week, when this will be uploaded, you will have a syllabus quiz and SAT. So if you go over here, this is your home menu. Now, home, it'll take you back to this main page. Announcements, anytime I send out an announcement, you will get it, it'll show up like an email. Assignments, this just simply shows you your actual assignments that are due. So like a syllabus quiz, a paragraph. This will not show you everything that I have uploaded, only what you need to turn in for that particular day. The discussion board, if I tell you have a discussion board, you will come here. The only discussion board we've done is the allow me to introduce myself. Here, under grades, you will see what you have in the class so far. So, the fun thing about grades is that you can put in what you think that you will get and calculate what your grade will be in the class. Let's say 2. And so once you do that, it'll give you your projected grade here at the bottom. So you've earned 50 out of 60 points, you have a C. So you can click here, it'll revert to your actual score. You don't actually change your grade here. Only person who is in charge of your grade here is me. Only I can do that. Alright. But it's handy for if you know, like, alright, I don't know what I got on this, and I need to know if I'll pass the class. So if you put that in there, it'll tell you what you need to do or how high you need to score in order to pass the class. And near the end of the semester, it'll be handy in telling you whether or not you will pass the class or if you're capable of getting that A or B that you want to get. People tells you who's in your class, so if you need to email someone in the class and ask them for help, it'll tell you that. Files just tells you the files that I have uploaded. Quizzes I've taken. Most important thing I want you all to see on here is the module section. Modules will show you everything that I have uploaded, so you usually don't have to click through all of this, because anything that is important will be under modules. I have this entire class broken down as a module. So pre-writing, bubble map, pre-writing worksheets. The Cengage link, if you click here, it'll open Cengage to a different link. So if you're like, oh, I don't remember how to get to the homework, oh, here it goes, log in. Back to modules. So any handouts I have, so the paragraph grading form, no one turned that in this time, but you will be expected to turn that in with this. This is how I will be grading your paragraphs. Draft 1 is up here, and the final draft turn in place are both up here under modules. If I tell you I've posted a link to a video, that will be in one of these modules. I'm going to add a module just for video links up here at the very top. So, writing the essay, that video is here. Any notes that I give and share will be here. So if you see this little chain, that means it's a URL. The paperclip means it's a file. This little pew rocket means it's a quiz. And these little paper and pen means that it's an assignment to turn in. So all of these little icons on the side have a specific meaning. And you're going to want to learn those and pay attention to those. Because these, the paper and pencil and the rocket, means you definitely need to turn something in there. At the end of the semester, you'll click here on the class climate survey. This is where you will get to grade your teacher. But you won't get to do that for a while, and you will receive an email when that opens up. Okay? So, quick review. Home, just an overview of all your due dates. Quick view of where your assignments are will show up here. Same for the quizzes. Quick view of if you have any quizzes here. Modules, which is the most important, shows you everything that you'll have for that unit. And announcements will always show up in your email. Okay.